Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this video, I am trying to make UPI payment concept. This is step 1 method. You need to watch all full series of this video, then you can do your UPI payment project using ESP32 and DFPlayer. Here I am entering the values in the serial monitor and respective values will play in the DFPlayer.
39 58 99 100 187
Paste here and install the library. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program. I have given this zip file in description. Move this file to SD card and extract this zip file in this SD card itself. It will have 31 MP3 files. It is enough to play all the numbers up to 999.
$254 $299 $498 $500 $800 $873 $983 $999